Spanish Cuisine, 10 must-try dishes you can't miss. Hello and welcome to Smart English Start. This is your go-to channel for learning English while exploring the world. In this special series, we're traveling across the globe to discover must-try foods from different countries. Today, we're heading to Spain, a country known for its rich culinary heritage, delicious tapas, and world-famous paella. Let's explore some of the most iconic and flavorful Spanish dishes that you absolutely need to try. Theme 1, the essence of Spanish cuisine. Spanish cuisine is all about fresh ingredients, bold flavors, and a strong sense of tradition. Olive oil, garlic, saffron, and paprika are commonly used to bring out the best flavors in Spanish dishes. A major part of Spanish food culture is tapas, which allows people to enjoy small portions of multiple dishes in a social setting. Spain's diverse regions also offer distinct flavors, from the seafood-rich dishes of the coast to the hearty stews of the interior. Now let's explore the must-try dishes when visiting Spain. Theme 2, famous Spanish dishes and where to eat them. Paella, Spain's most famous rice dish, traditionally made with saffron, seafood, or chicken. The best paella can be found in Valencia, the birthplace of this dish. Jamón Ibérico, dry-cured Iberian ham, aged for years to develop a rich, nutty flavor. Try it in Seville or at specialty markets in Madrid. Tortilla Española, a thick Spanish omelet made with potatoes, eggs, and onions, found in almost every tapas bar across Spain. Gazpacho, a refreshing cold tomato soup, perfect for hot summer days. It's a specialty of Andalusia, especially in Seville and Córdoba. Patatas Bravas, crispy fried potatoes topped with a spicy tomato-based sauce, a staple at tapas bars in Madrid and Barcelona. Pulpo a la Gallega, Galician Octopus. Octopus served with paprika, olive oil, and sea salt. The best version can be found in Galicia, particularly in the town of Ourense. Churros con chocolate, fried dough pastries served with thick, rich chocolate for dipping. The best churros are found in Madrid's Chocolateria San Ginés. Fabada Asturiana, a hearty white bean stew with chorizo and black pudding, a must-try in Asturias. Pimientos de Padrón, small green peppers blistered in olive oil and sprinkled with sea salt, a signature dish from Galicia. Crema Catalana, a Spanish-style crème brûlée with a caramelized sugar crust, best enjoyed in Barcelona. Each of these dishes highlights a different aspect of Spain's diverse food culture, from rustic countryside cooking to sophisticated coastal flavors. Theme 3, travel tips for food lovers. Visit La Boqueria Market in Barcelona or Mercado de San Miguel in Madrid for a taste of local specialties. Order tapas and panexos at local bars to sample multiple flavors in one meal. Spanish meals are often late. Dinner is usually served around 9-10 p.m. Pair your meal with traditional drinks like sangria, Rioja wine, or tinto de verano. Be sure to try Menú del Día, a fixed-price lunch that offers great value and variety. Let's learn English through food. Great food is a reason to travel, and learning English can make that experience even better. If you ever visit Spain, don't miss the chance to try these incredible dishes. They tell a story of tradition, culture, and bold flavors. And remember, the more you explore, the more you learn. So keep improving your English and get ready for your next food adventure. See you in the next episode, where we'll explore Italy's legendary cuisine, including the famous pasta carbonara and more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow food lovers.